Snoring can hurt your relationship. People who sleep next to a snorer know it's tough. Waking up multiple times during the night doesn't make for a restful night's sleep, and it can lead to you and your partner sleeping in different bedrooms or being more frustrated with one another. According to Psychology Today, when you aren't getting quality sleep, you're more likely to manage conflict poorly, be irritable, and have more negative feelings. It's even been shown to make couples unappreciative of each other and feel more selfish. These are not the hallmarks of a happy and healthy relationship. Snoring can cause high blood pressure. Sleep apnea and even basic snoring is associated with a higher risk of high blood pressure or hypertension. According to WebMD, those with moderate to severe sleep apnea can be 7 times more likely to have hypertension. Even those who snore without having sleep apnea are 1.5 times more likely to experience hypertension. Interestingly, the older you are, the less likely it seems that your high blood pressure and snoring are related. The association between the two is stronger in people younger than 60. Though older people can have high blood pressure as a result of all sorts of things, younger people tend to have high blood pressure, a result of snoring or sleep apnea. Snoring can make you gain weight. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? The same conundrum applies to weight gain and snoring, according to Dr. Donald M. Sesso. Being overweight can make snoring worse. Fat deposits may constrict your airway, making it harder to breathe. Conversely, snoring can cause weight gain or make it harder to lose weight. Ultimately, snoring messes with your metabolism. But snoring also makes you tired, and tired people are typically less active. Not treating sleep apnea can have serious repercussions. If you fail to treat sleep apnea, you're going to damage more than your relationship with the person sleeping next to you. According to CNN, untreated sleep apnea can worsen your nightmares, and if you have PTSD, your snoring can make that worse as well. All of these can lead to poor sleep quality. And while it may seem like being sleepy as a result of your sleep apnea is a relatively harmless consequence, that couldn't be further from the truth. The CDC reports sleepy people tend to get in more car accidents. There's a connection between snoring and artery damage. People who snore are more likely to have thickened or abnormal carotid arteries compared to those who are overweight or smoke, according to Medical News Today. Carotid arteries are responsible for transporting oxygen to the head and neck. Snoring causes inflammation, and inflammation can prompt these kinds of adverse changes in the carotid arteries. Snoring can lead to memory problems later in life. Your brain needs to rest, and if it doesn't get that rest, your memory may suffer. CBS News reports those who snore or have breathing problems while they sleep may develop dementia, a decline in cognitive abilities, or suffer from memory problems earlier than the average person. Researchers looked at 2,500 people, ranging from those with normal brain function to those with Alzheimer's, and found that individuals with sleep apnea began experiencing cognitive issues about 10 years earlier than those without the disorder. Snoring can spur cancerous tumors. Interrupted sleep can lead to an influx of cancerous cells. It can make it harder for your body to combat cancer, and it can even make tumors grow faster. A group of immune system cells associated with tumors falls into two groups, MON and M2. The former helps fight cancer, while the latter spurs tumor growth. A University of Chicago study showed that interrupted sleep was associated with more M2-type cells. Both snoring and sleep apnea can indicate an underlying issue.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.